top strap with the bum bottom. That's on the bottom, yeah, that's why I got 'em. I leave the strap, the lace, they come up bottom. The last person that touched them, that's why I got 'em. Look, and see lime green fortunes and kiwi. You couldn't get this color if you had a personal meaning. You know I get your hip hop, make the block.
What's going on? You and you and you and you back there, all of you too. It's the piano guy, and I am in the house showing some love, coming in the screen, coming on the scene like your boy 804, king of phones and J's. I'm showing some love to my big brother because, yo, I'm sitting at my kitchen table and, yo, it's a very special day. And you know what? Since I'm showing some love to my boy 804, king of phones and J's today, I might as well show some love to, yo, high five, my boy, my big brother, the man I got a lot of respect and admiration for, Pop Lewis, the Cave. Check him out. Hey, make sure you check out my two dudes, my boys. I'm going to drop their links to their YouTube pages down below in the comment section. Check those guys out. But yo, it's a very, very delightful, special day, and I am going to do my very first, well, I don't know if you can sense the excitement, you know, and you may be wondering why I'm this excited, and I want to just tell you right up front, it's not because I won the lottery, because I don't play the lotto. Nope, I don't play the lotto. And it's not because, you know, it's not because I got engaged and I'm getting married. No, not that either, even though that would be a wonderful thing to happen. And it's not because, you know, I recently had my colon cleansed, and that procedure, it went very, very well, and even the doctors were surprised at how smooth everything went. It's not for that reason either. And it's not because recently I had a back massage from a $2.50, it was a $2.50 back massage by a $3 toothless prostitute. And that's not the reason either. But it's because, as I was about to say, I am doing my very first hot, double hot or not review. Come on, give it up. I've never done a double hot or not review before, and this is my very first one. Yes, let me show you what I got. I don't even know if y'all ready for this, but Boo-Yow, ooh baby, can you see that? Finish line, shout out to my dude Derek up at finish line, Boo-Yow. And, ooh, baby, Jimmy Jazz on deck. Shout out to my girl, Sharonda at Jimmy Jazz. And you know what? I think this will be a good, oh, look at the love. Can you feel the love? Here's my thumbnail. There's my thumbnail. Can you feel the love? I feel the love. Hey honey. But yo, check it out. Slap this to the side. Yo, finish line. Ooh, baby. Are you ready for this? Look at it. Special box, nice box. Look at that. It's a special box. Something premium in here. Wait, I'm gonna read it to you. This is the Air Jordan 5 Retro Premium HC for Aris Camo, size 9.5. This was 160 of them things. Extended grade school sizes on deck. Don't you wish you could wear a 9.5? Boo-Yow! Oh, sorry. Let me do it again. Boo-Yow! Ooh wee! Can you see that? Look at that! Look at that! Ooh! You smell it? You smell it? Look at, oh my goodness, look at that girl. Ooh, nasty, stink, nasty, look at that. Ooh, wait, and look at the skin on this girl. Look at the skin. Oh my goodness. You feel how smooth that is? Like a newborn elephant. Just smooth. Look at that, look at the soles. Oh my goodness. These girls are clean. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These girls dropped today the premium Eris Camo 5s in the extended grade school sizes. And I got a size 9.5. Ooh, hush your mouth and keep on talking. Look at that. Man, these girls are clean. Oh my goodness. Oh, and show you what else I got. Jimmy Jazz on deck. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Air Jordan 1 Retro High. The retail price on these girls, I'm not sure if they were $160 or what I'm not sure, I don't remember. But I got these girls way under retail. Boo-Yow! Ooh, nasty! Stink! Nasty! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me move this box out the way. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at. Ooh, baby. Oh man, and this material around the toe box. Come up here on the quarter section. And on the back side, these boys. Look at the booty on them boys right there. I told y'all that don't sound right. That don't sound right. Look at the booty on them girls. Ooh, wait, and look at that. Like bronze color on the wings and on the swoosh right there. You see that right there? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh, baby. Woo! Come on. I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to touch the shoe. Is it hot or is it not? Oh! Are hot. How many times I'm gonna say hot? But these girls are hot. I'm gonna take my finger. I'm gonna touch this shoe. Is it hot or is it not? Oh, I burnt my finger. These girls are sizzling hot, 130 degrees, fire flaming hot. These girls are clean. And yo, I got these girls right here for $70. Jimmy Jazz, way under retail. And I got these girls right here with retail for 160 of them things. I got them for $148 plus taxes. Sorry, that was including tax. $140 plus tax. About $148 and some change. I'm glad about it. I'm happy to have both of these girls in my collection. Yo, make sure you press that subscribe button. We're still working on the 500 subscriber giveaway. And once we get to 500, we're going to do that $50 gift card to one of the major stores like Foot Locker, Finish Line, Foot Action, something like that, where you can go and apply it to a pair of kicks or whatever you want to get. Woo, baby. And I'm up in here. I'm so hot. I'm sweating. It's so hot up in here. It's getting hot in here. Woo! And also make sure you press that thumbs up like button. Drop some comments below. What you think about these two pickups right here? Are these girls clean? Are these boys hard? Are these girls clean? Come on, man. Woo, baby. But yo, make sure you drop some comments below. Press that notifications bell. Also follow me on Instagram at _piano guy and on Twitter at sneaker struggles at JMO Hollywood. And if you are liking and enjoying the content that the piano guy is bringing to YouTube, make sure you press that subscribe button for your boy, the piano guy. And instead of signing off, my typical, traditional, usual, the one that you come to love and look forward to, to next time and all of that, I'm going to sign off, just a special sign off, just for my boy, Gabrielle Kicks 23. Here's today's sign off. Hakuna Matata.